Hey there, today let's dive into how a recent Supreme Court decision is shaking things up for former President Donald Trump. If you're a legal analyst or just someone interested in US politics, stay tuned, this one's for you. So, what's the buzz about? The Supreme Court recently ruled on a significant issue, presidential immunity. Traditionally, presidents have enjoyed broad immunity from legal proceedings while in office, but this ruling has some nuances worth unpacking. First off, let's clarify what the ruling says. The Supreme Court decided that a sitting president does not have absolute immunity from civil litigation related to unofficial acts. This means that while Trump was in office, he could be sued for actions that were not part of his official duties. However, now that he's out of office, this ruling opens the door for several pending lawsuits to move forward. Why is this important? Well, Trump has a slew of legal battles lined up. We're talking about cases ranging from defamation suits to allegations of financial misconduct. With the Supreme Court's decision, these cases can now proceed without the barrier of presidential immunity. One of the most talked about cases is the defamation lawsuit filed by E. Jean Carroll. She accused Trump of raping her in the 1990s and later sued him for defamation after he denied the allegations. The Supreme Court's ruling means Carroll's case can now advance in court. This is just one example, but it sets a precedent for other cases to follow. Another significant case involves the Trump Organization's financial practices. There are allegations of misrepresentation and fraud that could have serious legal ramifications. With the immunity shield lowered, these investigations can dig deeper into Trump's business dealings. Let's not forget the ongoing scrutiny over the January 6th Capitol insurrection. While Trump faces no direct charges yet, the Supreme Court's stance on immunity could influence future legal actions related to his role in the events. This adds another layer of complexity to an already convoluted legal landscape. Now, what does this mean for the legal community? For legal analysts, this ruling is a game changer. It sets new legal precedents and could influence how future cases involving former presidents are handled. The ruling essentially says that no one is above the law, not even a former president. For Trump's legal team, this means a busy road ahead. They will need to navigate these cases without the protective barrier of presidential immunity, which could lead to some significant legal battles. In summary, the Supreme Court's decision has far-reaching implications for Trump's pending court cases. It opens the floodgates for lawsuits that were previously stalled and sets a precedent for how former presidents can be held accountable. Whether you're a legal analyst or just a curious observer, this ruling is something to keep an eye on. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving world of US politics and law. Until next time, stay informed.